high count series.
Okay, students, now we are going to addition with regrouping. With regrouping, basing on this model, now we are going to study some problems. See, in this exercise 2.3, under A, some problems are there. Now, follow the fourth one first. Fourth one, I am teaching fourth one. Add these numbers. Add these numbers. What are the numbers here? 5436 and second number is 4086. Now, we add the two numbers. The two numbers are 4-digit numbers. Okay. 5436 plus 4086. First of all, we add the ones plus digits. What are the ones plus digits here? 6 and 6. Okay. Ones place. 6 plus 6. That means 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. That means totally how many ones? 12 ones. 12 ones. That means 10 ones. That means 110 plus 2 ones. 12 means 10 plus 2. That means 110 plus 2 ones. So here we write 2 here in ones place. 110 we carry out in the tens place. 110. Here we write 1. Now add the digits in tens place. So 1 carried 10, now tens place. 1 carried 10 plus 3 tens plus 8 tens. Total how much here? 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 tens. 12 tens are there. Here, regrouping. We write a regrouping. That means 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. That's why 100 plus 2 tens. 100 plus 2 tens. That's why we write here 2 tens. That's why we write 2. And here 100 is there now. That 100 should be carried in the hundreds place. Here 1. Now add the hundreds plus digits. What are the hundreds plus digits here? Now hundreds place. Hundreds place. What are the numbers in hundreds place? 100, 1 carried 100 plus 400s. 1 carried 100 plus 400. That means totally 500s. 500s are there. 5 is the single digit number. So here we write 5. Now we go to thousands place. What are the digits in the thousands place? 5 and 4. 5 plus 4. How much? 9. So 9,000. 9 is the single digit number. So we write here 9. So what is the total sum of these two numbers? 9,520. 9,520. Like this. Once again see, 6 plus 6, 12. 2 I wrote here. 1 in the tens place carried out. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 2 we write here. And 1 we write in the carried 100. That is 1 in the hundreds place I wrote 1. 1 plus 4, 5. And 5 plus 4, 9. 9,520. This is regrouping. According to regrouping, this is the sum of the two numbers. These are what? 4-digit numbers. Sum of these 4-digit numbers is 9,520. Okay, students, this is the work for fourth question. Now, like this, you see, this one, see, 8th question. 6,303 plus 1,807. What are the digits in the ones place here? 3 and 7. 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 how much here? 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 ones. So here regrouping. What is the regrouping here? Regrouping 0 plus here 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10 ones. That means 0 we write here and 1 here carried 10. 1 is the carried 10. Carried 10. So here now add the digits in the tens place. 1 plus 0 plus 0. That means 1. Now come to hundreds place. 3 plus 8. Now come to hundreds plus digits. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 how much here? 8 plus 3 plus 8 11. 11 what is this? 11 hundreds. 11 hundreds means now regrouping. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. That means, okay, 11 hundreds. 11 hundreds. Total 11 hundreds. That means 10 plus 1. 10 hundreds make, so here 10 plus 1. So here 1 we write, and here 10 hundreds are there, 10 hundreds means 1000. 10 hundreds means 1000. So 1 here, we write 10 plus 1 now here. Here we write 10 hundreds make 1000. Okay, chalo. Now 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, once I can say 3 plus 7, 10, 0, 1, here 1. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 means 1 I wrote here, 1 is here. Another 1 I wrote in the 1000 place. Then 1 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 8. Like this way. Okay, children, this is 8th question over. Now come to the 12th question. In the 12th question, 1465, 3781. These are the 4 digit numbers. Now addition. Regrouping. Addition by regrouping. Here 5 plus 1. Add the digits in the ones place. That means 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 ones. Next. Take the digits in the tens place. That means 6 and 8. 6 and 8 is equal to 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 tens. So now 14 can be written as 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. So we write here 4 we write here. 4 we write here. 1 is there now. That 1 is what we have carried 100. 1 is carried 100. 1 is the carried 100. Now add the 100 plus digits. 1 plus 4 plus 7. That means 12. 12 hundreds. How many hundreds? 12 hundreds. 12 means now we break this into two numbers. That means 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So write 2 in the hundreds place. Now 1 we write in the 1 is the carried 1000. 1 is the carried 1000. Now add the digits in thousands place. 1 plus 1 plus 3. How much? 5. 5 is the single digit now. So we write in the 5 right in the thousands place. So 5246. Once again see 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 6 14, 4 here, 1 there, 4 plus 1 5 plus 7 12, 2 right here, 1 is here, 1000 plus carried 1000, so 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5. Now come to this 16. 4 digit numbers, two 4 digit numbers. Add the two 4 digit numbers. Regrouping method. By regrouping, you see here 8 plus 2 10. Add the units plus digits. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So that means 10 plus 0. 10 can be break dash. 10 plus 0. 10 can be written as. That means 0 in the ones place you write. Now 1. 1 in the carried 1. 1 is carried to the next place. That means to the tens place 1 is carried. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. Add the digits in the tens place. That means 1 plus 9 plus 7. That means 1 is the carried 10. Here 9 tens are there. In the second number 7 tens are there. Add 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 17. 17 can be written as 10 plus 7. So write 7 in the tens place. Now here 10 tens make a 100. 10 tens make a 100. Yes or no? So write 1 here in the units tens 100. 100 place. Because 10 tens makes 100 now. That's why 1 is the carried 100. Now add the digits in the hundreds place. That means 1 is the carried 100. Here 100 is there and 600s are there. That is the total you see now. 6 1 7 plus 1 8. 8. So write 8. Single digit no? Now 1000 plus this 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Once again see 8 plus 2 10. 0 we write here. 1 is the carry 10. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 17. 17. 7 we write here. 1 is the carried 100. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 6 8. Now thousands plus 2 plus 5 7. 7807. Now come to B. Add these numbers on the same word. But here in all these 4 digit numbers. Both the numbers are 4 digit numbers. Result is also 4 digit number. Yes, add these numbers now. 3 numbers are there. The 3 numbers are written one below the other. Now do addition. First add the units plus digits. That means 3 plus 0 plus 1. This is ones place. This is tens place. Hundreds place. Thousands place. Add the digits in the ones place. That means here 3 plus 0 plus 1. How much? 4. 3 plus 0 plus 1. 4. Single digits. So 4 we write in the ones place. Now take the digits in the tens place. 1 plus 4 plus 0. 1 plus 4 plus 0. How much? 4 plus 1? 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Single digit, this is also. So 5 is right 5 in the tens place. Now you come to hundreds place. What are the digits in the hundreds place? 2, 4, 1. 2, 4, 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 hundreds. 7 is the single digit number, no? So we write 7 in the hundreds place. Now take the thousands place digit. 1 plus 3 plus 3. 7. So write 7. 7,754. Okay. This is the sum of the 3 numbers. 3 numbers are there, no? The 3 numbers total is 7,754. Now come here. Here, three numbers are there. In the three, two numbers are four-digit numbers, and one number is three-digit number. Add the digits in the units place first. What are the digits in the units place? 0, 4 and 2. So add 0, 4, 2. Add. That is 6. Write 6 in the units place. This is a single digit number. That's why that number we write in the ones place. Now take the digits in the tens place. That means 0 plus 9 plus 2. 0 plus 9 plus 2. How much? 11. This is two-digit number. So you break it. 10 plus 1. So 1 right here in the tens place. Here 10 tens makes 100. That's why here carried 1 in the hundreds place. We write 1 in the, this is what carried 100, on 100, carried to the hundreds place, carried. Now add the digits in the hundreds place. 1 plus 6 plus, see, digits, we are adding the digits in the hundreds place. 1 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2. Are you following, children? 1 is the carried 100. In the first number 600s are there. In the second number 900s are there. In the third number 200s are there. Add. Okay. Then 6 plus 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 hundreds. 18. These are hundreds. 1800. 18 can be written as 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. So, write 8 in the hundreds place and here write 1 in the thousands place. This is carried thousand. Here 1 is the carried thousand. 8 is in the hundreds place, we write 8 in the hundreds place, and this one we write in the carried thousands place. This one is the carried thousand. Now add the digits in the thousands place. So 1 plus 3 plus 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 6. 6,000. So 6,860. This is the sum of the three numbers. Now you observe this 12th question now. Three numbers are there. The two numbers are four-digit numbers, and this number is three-digit numbers. According to their place values, here I wrote them numbers. The three numbers are copied according to their place values. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now add the digits in the ones place. That means 3 plus 3 plus 7. How much? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 7, 30. 13 ones are there. 13 ones can be written as 10 plus 3. 10 ones plus 3 ones. 10 ones plus 3 ones, that total 13 ones. So 13 can be written as 10 plus 3. Write 3 in the units place. Here 110 is there, no? That 1, it should be carried. You see, the 1 is the carried 10. Now add the digits in the tens place. 1 carried 10. Here first number 8 tens are there. Here second number 8 tens are there. In the third number 5 tens are there. Add 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 8 17 plus 5 22. 22 tens. 22 can be written as 20 plus 2. 22. Okay. So 20 tens makes 100. 20 here. 22 is there now. 2 we write in the tens place, and this 2 we write in the we carry 2. We carry 2 here in the hundreds place. Okay. 20 tens are 200. 20 tens are 200. That's why that 2 we write in the carried 100 and 1 2 here we write here tens place. Now you see, add the digits in the hundreds place. So 2 plus 2 is the carried 100. 5 is the here 500s are there. Here 400s are there. Here 200s are there. Add 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 2 13. 1300s. 1300s can be breaked as, it can be breaked as 10 plus 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. That means total 1300. 1000 plus 300. 1000 plus 300, 1300. So that 3 we write here. And 10 hundreds make 1000. 10 hundreds makes 1000. 10 hundreds make 1000. That's why we write 1 in the thousands place. Carry 1000. 1 in the carry 1000. Now add the digits in the thousands place. So 1 carried 1000. 1 is the carried 1000 here. Plus here 2 thousands are there in the first number. In the second number no thousands. In the third number 3 thousands are there. Totally 6 way. So finally, what is the sum of the three numbers here? 6,320. 6,320. This is the sum of the three numbers. Like this, this is regrouping. By regrouping, we added the given number. This is the procedure of adding the numbers by regrouping. 2 write in the tens place, and this 2 we write in the we carry 2. We carry 2 here in the hundreds place. Okay. 20 tens are 200. 20 tens are 200. That's why that 2 we write in the carried 100 and 1 2 here we write here tens place. Now you see, add the digits in the hundreds place. So 2 plus 2 is the carried 100. 5 is the here 500s are there. Here 400s are there. Here 200s are there. Add 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 2 13. 1300s. 1300s can be breaked as, it can be breaked as 10 plus 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. That means total 1300. 1000 plus 300. 1000 plus 300, 1300. So that 3 we write here. And 10 hundreds make 1000. 10 hundreds makes 1000. 10 hundreds make 1000. That's why we write 1 in the thousands place. Carry 1000. 1 in the carry 1000. Now add the digits in the thousands place. So 1 carried 1000. 1 is the carried 1000 here. Plus here 2 thousands are there in the first number. In the second number no thousands. In the third number 3 thousands are there. Totally 6 way. So finally, what is the Sum of the three numbers here 6,322. 6,322. This is the sum of the three numbers. Like this, this is regrouping. By regrouping, we added the given number. This is the procedure of adding the numbers by regrouping. See children, now we are going to another model. What is in this model? Estimation of sum. Estimate. Just we estimate the sum of the two numbers. What is the sum of the two numbers? So now we are going to estimate. Okay. Just by observation, you can say that in this question, the second question, 372 is the first number, 329 is the second number. Here, how many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there in the first number. In the second number, how many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there. That means 300 plus 300. That means 600. 600. 600s are there. Okay. And here 7 tens are there. Here 2 tens are there. 7 tens plus 2 tens. 9 tens. And here 2 ones are there, 9 ones are there. That means 11 ones are there. 11 means we can write it as 10 plus 1. And one more 10 is coming here. That means 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 tens. Now you see here, add the digits in the ones place. 2 plus 9, 11. 1, write 1 here. 1 here, carry the 10. Because here 11 ones are there. 10 ones here, 1 10 no. So, 1 we write here. Okay. 1 10 no plus 1 ones. So here, now add the tens digits now. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means here 0 we write here and 1 carried 100. Now add 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So 701 is the sum of the two numbers. That means 701 is not less than 650. It is more than 650. And more than, okay, it is not less than 750, 650, more than 650 this is, because this is 701. That's why this is more than 650, more than 650. Answer is 701. That is more than 650. Now you see here, 700s are there in the first number. In the second number, 200s are there. 700s plus 200s, 900. 900s are there. In both the numbers together, 900s are there. And here 2 tens are there in the first number, here no tens. Here 4 ones are there, here 8 ones are there. 8 plus 4, 12 ones are there. So, add now. So, how many hundreds are there here? 700 plus 200. 900s are there. 900s are there. Here 2 tens are there. 4 ones are there. Now here 7, here add 8 plus 4, 12. 2 right here. 1 is the carried 10. 1 is the carried 10. Now add 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, 3. Now here 7 plus 2, 9. That means this is, answer is 932. 932. Okay. This number less than 900 or more than 900. That we have to observe. 932 is big number. 900 is the small number. That means the answer is more than 900. The answer is more than 900. Result is more than 900 because the result is 932. 932 is the big number. That's why this is not less than 900. It is more than 900. 900 tick mark. Now come to this. Here, in the first number, 3000s are there. How many thousands are there? 3000s are there. Now in the second number, how many thousands are there? 5000s are there. 5000 plus 3000. Total is 8000. In both the numbers, how many thousands are there? 8000s are there. In the first number, 400s are there. In the second number, 400s are there. In both the numbers, totally how many hundreds? 800s. Now, see the tens. See the position of tens. Here 2 tens are there. Here 6 tens are there. Totally how many tens? 2 tens plus 6 tens. That means 8 tens are there. In the first number 7 ones are there. In the second number 2 ones are there. 7 plus 2, 9 ones are 9 ones. Now add 7 plus 2 9, 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 4 8, 3 plus 5 8. What is the answer here? The answer is 8889. 8889. 8 thousands, 8 hundreds, 8 tens, 9 ones. 8889. Now, compare this. The answer is less than 8000. Is the answer less than 8000? Is the answer less than 8000? Not less than. 8889 is big one. So this is not less than 8000. This number is more than 8000 because this is crossed 8000 crossed. Here the answer is crossed 8000. That's why this is answer is more than 8000. More than 8000. So more than 8000 answer. What is the sum of the two numbers? Sum of the two numbers how much here? 8889. Like this by estimation we can say the answer and we can compare the answer. We can compare the answer with the mentioned words. Mentioned words means less than 8000 or more than 8000, that will be said. Answer is compared with these two. The answer is not less than 8000 and the answer is more than 8000. That's why more than 8000 is ticked here. Okay, this is the estimation of sum. See children, now we are going to the word problem or another name is statement problem. In the statement problems, the first question is a factory produced 3248 toys in 1 week and 3566 toys in the next week. How many toys did the factory produce in the 2 weeks? This is the question. Now, you read one time the question and prepare the steps on that. How many toys factory produced in the first week? In the first week, how many toys produced by the factory? 3248 toys. That is the first step. So, number of toys produced in first week. Number of toys produced. Number of toys produced by factory in the first week. In the first week. How many toys produced here? First week 3566 toys. Now, in the next week, first week 3248. 3248. 3,248. Now, how many toys company produced? Company means a factory produced in the next week 3,566. So, number of toys produced by a factory in the second week. Second week means the next week. How many toys produced here? 3,566. That is the second step we prepare. Now, how many toys will the factory produce in the 2 weeks? That means together in the 2 weeks, totally how many toys are produced by the factory? So total number of toys produced. Total number of toys produced in the 2 weeks. So what we have to do here? Add. Just by adding these two, we can get the total number of toys produced in the 2 weeks. So here, add the two numbers. Add. That means plus. Add the units plus digits. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is equal to how much? 14. So strike off 4 here and write here. Now 1 is there, no. 1 is the carried 10. 1 is the carried 10. Now add. Here 1 we can write it down also. Here not. Here. Now 6 plus 1. Here add second place, that means 10 plus digits. 4 plus 6 plus 1. That means 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. How much? 11. So strike off 1 here. Write in the tens place. This 1 you write in the hundreds place. That is carry the 100. Now add the digits in the hundreds place. 2 plus 5 plus 1. That means 8. Write 8 here. Now add the digits in the thousands place. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6,814 toys totally the factory produced in the 2 weeks. Like this, we solve this problem. Okay, children. Now, come to the fourth question. Okay. Read the fourth question first. There are 835 children in primary classes, 638 children in middle classes, and 595 children in secondary classes in a school. How many children are there in the school? This is the question. Okay, after reading the question, try to understand the meaning. So, how many children are there in primary classes? 835 children are there in the primary classes. So, that you mention here as a first step. So, number of children in primary classes. What we write here? Number of children in primary classes. How many here? 835. Now come to the next one. How many children are there in the middle classes? How many children are there? 638 students are there in the middle classes. So number of children, you write this as the second step. Number of children in the middle classes. How many? 630. Now, another one. 595 children in secondary classes. In secondary classes, how many children are there? 595 children are there. That we write here as a third step. Number of children in secondary classes. Number of children in secondary classes. How many children are there in secondary classes? 595. Now, how many children are there in the school totally? In the school, the whole school, totally how many children are there? So to find this, what we have to do here? Addition. Just by adding the three numbers, we can get the total number of children in the school. So, we write here, total number of children in the school is equal to, we show the addition. Total number of children in the school is equal to. How can you get? Just by adding these three numbers. Add the three numbers. Addition. The symbol we use plus for addition. Add the three numbers. Add now. 5 plus 8 plus 5. See in the rough margin you write. Ones plus digits. 5 plus 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18. Strike off 8 right here in the ones place. Now 1 is there, no? That one we carry out to the next. That means here also we can write this one right here. Small. 1 is the carried 10. 1 is the carried 10. Now add the digits in the tens place. 3 plus 9 plus this one is the carried 10. Round off. That is it. Now 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16. Strike off 6 right in the tens place. And 1 is there now, that one we write in the one carried, that is the carried 100. 100 is carried here. We write here. That is carried 100. Now add the digits in the hundreds place. Digits of hundreds place. 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1 carried 100. 800, 600, 500 plus 1 carried 100. Now add 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 5, 19 plus 1, 20. 20. So write 20 here. So, what is the total here? 2068. Unit times 100,000. 2068. Total number of children in the school. How many children are there? 2068 students are there in the school. Okay. This is the question number 4. Like this, read the question and under the question you write the steps. Steps you have to write. And you add the numbers and show the addition properly. Then you give the final answer. Okay, students.